Especially when you turn corners and you go over a bump.
Sure.
Called cabinet shakers. That's what the salesman said.
Okay.
It's a cabinet shaker.
The voice of the customer. I'm here today with James on a very windy day, so if our audio is a little flaky, that would be why. So, James, you brought your 2024 S2RV in today, and we actually met you back in Tennessee, right?
Yes, sir.
So back at the Sevierville Super C rally?
Yep.
So we inspected your coach, and what kind of things did we find on it?
So you suggested that we get shocks for a better ride, safety steer, and control units. You said stabilizing bars, but we bypassed on that this time.
Sure.
And we'll always come back if we decide we need them. So far, the ride's 1,000% better than it ever was. The steering's way improved. I just don't know what to say about it, other than they're fantastic.
Well, I can't add a whole lot to that, other than if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Over 80% of you guys watching are not subscribers, so please click that button to get on the list for videos like this. As I said, it is windy today, and that's going to be a perfect time to really put this to the test. So once you get out on the road, I think you're going to feel some nice improvement. Yeah, we'll have you start out driving. We'll go down that way, so hang a left.
I can already tell there's a difference in the steering already.
Yeah. If you let go of the wheel, see how it comes back on center.
It's not sloppy.
Yeah, you got a little more weight to it, more positive center point. How does it feel for just that unevenness in the road?
Feels good because I would have rocked and rolled coming out of that parking lot.
So the rear shocks, we worked with KONI to develop both the front and the rear, but the rear we wanted them to go really strong because you're not sitting right over that rear axle. You can go a little stronger in the valving and not compromise the ride quality. So we wanted them to go real stiff to get you as much control as possible, within reason. Still, I think we did a great job. KONI did a great job with the valving. So we'll have you hang a left here.
Okay.
So how's it tracking for you? I feel like it's
good.
going pretty nice and
The
straight.
steering nice and tight. You don't have to sit here and do this all day long.
Yeah, that Safety Plus is nice. It gives you just that nice positive center point. Plus the blowout protection. It's a win-win. Yeah, this is a great little test through here. Yeah, this corner is where it gets interesting on trash day, which
okay.
I don't believe is today. I think we're okay. Yeah, we're good. You would have seen them by now, yeah.
Trash day.
And after this corner, then it opens up. So now you can really get a feel for it on the rollers here, we call this.
Well, this is good. It's very soft. I mean, I don't feel the bumps. Before you used to bounce, but all over the place. Didn't even matter what size the bump was. Can't even feel them.
That's great. Yeah, that's what makes these so impressive, is that you get more control, but also a better ride. KONI really did just a great job with these shocks. Big shout out to our engineer friends at KONI for coming up with these. All right, so for those who are watching, let's just go through what we've done on your coach. So first, we did the Safety Plus steering control. Yes. So that's a spring-loaded steering control, not just a steering stabilizer. So it's both got shock absorbing, so in the event of a front tire blowout, it's going to help you maintain control. It's also got a very positive spring-loaded center point, and that's something that I think you noticed right away.
I noticed that right off the bat. The steering's not sloppy.
Yeah, it gives you just a nice...
And when you go over bumps, it doesn't. You don't have to oversteer or overcorrect.
Yeah, that's a great thing to point out, is that one of the roads that we went on had a lot of changes in height, a lot of the dips and rolls, and ordinarily you would get maybe some bump steer, where
yes.
your wheel wants to rock back and forth. The Safety Plus really does help to control that. Some of that comes down to steering geometry, but it really helps to reduce that.
Yes.
So then we did the rear SuperSteer motion control units. Those are the reducers that go in line with the airbags. So that's our product. And we've had those for quite a while, but that helps to cut down on the rocking and rolling.
Right, especially when you turn corners and you go over a bump, it doesn't rock back and forth.
Sure.
It's called cabinet shakers. That's what the salesman said.
Okay.
It's a cabinet shaker.
Yeah, everything comes open,
yeah.
China falls out. Yeah. And then the last thing, which really what made us do this video is you're the first customer at our shop where we've had the KONI EVOs in production,
Right.
and we've done the prototype installs before, but brand new production, they're now in stock, where brand new shocks tailor-made for this chassis, and that's really where you get the ride and the stability improvement.
Absolutely, and it's good to know that at least I'm number one in something. So, yeah, that's a way smooth ride. It doesn't have that truck feeling.
Sure, yeah. That's what we were blown away with testing them out, just how KONI was able to get it so smooth, but yet such good control over the rolls, right, and all that. So really big shout out to the engineers at KONI. You guys really nailed it on these shocks. So just one final question for you, James. If you were talking to somebody else with an S2RV Super C and they were kind of on the fence, is this worth it, is it not, what would you tell them?
Just do it. You'll be happier in the long run. Your wife will be happier in the long run. So, yes, do it.
All right, well, you heard it from him. So thank you again, James. Really appreciate your business. Safe travels.
Thank you.
And hope to see you again someday. We appreciate your business. So
thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you for taking the time for watching this video and subscribing. If you've got a Super C, not just an S2RV, but an M2 as well, we're also working on products for the Cascadia chassis, the Ford Super Cs. We got a lot of new stuff in the works, so please like and subscribe. Keep in touch with what we're doing for all these different chassis. Also, check out our site, SuperSteerParts.com. We've got the Chassis Solution Center where you can learn about this chassis as well as other chassis, what we can do to help you. And until next time, we want to wish you safer and happier driving.